Look at that. It's the Bose Quiet Comfort 35. Ever popular, ever loved, these headphones are iconic and has aged beautifully. My name is Vivin Oommen, and this video is not sponsored by the brands or otherwise. Bose headphones are the go-to headphones for airplane travel, and with the new Apple AirPods Max out, I figured this would be a good time for a callback. So in this video, we're not going to glance at the headphones itself, we're taking a look at these guys. These are the Jarmor Bose replacement cushion earpads kit in the brown color, obviously. Installing these wasn't the easiest, and it did break a nail, but it was worth it. There are two parts, the inner layer that sticks onto the headphone itself, and the outer cushion that clips onto the headphone rim. The cushion has a durable leather wrapped around the memory foam, and is not much of a departure from the original Bose earpads in terms of comfort. And in terms of quality, these are now a couple months old and there's no wear and tear yet, with the clips showing promising grip. These earpads are compatible with a wide range of other Bose products as well. So let's take a look at it, and I mean really look at it. It looks like a special edition, custom-made, one-of-one, super rare collector's item edition thing, and yes, I may be getting a little ahead of myself. The metal meets leather look provides for a very sophisticated piece of ear furniture. So there you have it, the Jarmor Bose replacement cushion earpads kit for the Bose QC35s. Thank you for watching.